The Orion is a powerful and easy-to-use multifunction welding device. Unlike a conventional TIG welder, the Orion's computer does most of the work for the operator. This and other short videos will help you gain the skills necessary to become proficient with the Orion's use. The Orion accepts 120 or 240 volts AC. Use the voltage selection switch on the side of the welder to correctly set the operating voltage. Plug your 1/4-inch gas tube firmly into the back of the welder until it stops fully. The stereo microscope, shutter, or the auto darkening lens can be plugged into the optical unit port. If desired, plug the foot switch into the foot switch port. The pulse arc welding stylus requires the most attention during setup. Push the connector onto the Orion front panel and screw it down. Push in the connector again and continue to screw it down. Finally, push the connector in until you feel it bottom out, then screw the connector until it is firmly seated. Other welding attachments are quickly attached to the binding posts. Any argon gas regulator will work with the Orion. A tube adapter may be required to attach the 1/4-inch tubing to the regulator. Only low pressure is required to provide shielding gas for the workpiece. Start at very low gauge flow rate values and work up as needed. Always turn the gas tank off when the welder is not in use. The welder will indicate that the gas is on and show the flow rate that the welder will experience. Protective shielding gas should be used for all pulse arc welds. The Orion welder is easy to use. Simply touch the electrode carefully to the workpiece surface with light pressure. The Orion computer will complete the welding process by releasing shielding gas and then initiating the weld while retracting the electrode tip. Remove the electrode from the workpiece surface any time before welding to abort the welding process. Changing weld modes in the Orion is a simple process. In spot weld mode, the pulse arc stylus is no longer used. Attach one lead to the positive terminal and one to the negative terminal. Typically, changing to foot actuation is recommended. The Orion is simple to use but has the versatility to take on any project.